So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting gesso and creating texture on my paper. I will create multiple pieces of paper with just different texture that I want, so that when I do the painting, and because I'm using acrylic as watercolor, it would catch into these grooves, so I don't smooth it out. And I'm not going to cover, I like the white space, so I'm not going to cover this area on the top. I'm just going to do these. So this is what I'm going to be preparing, create these textures, and once they are dry, I'll do my painting demo on that. So the paper, this one is 7 by 7, and I cut out my own paper. You can buy ready-made paper, or you can use your journal, whichever, but it's always good to have a background or a base of gesso, so that the paint can have something to have structure when it's so loose. I buy big sheets of paper, and then I cut it to the size I want. So they're all different sizes. Sometimes I miscalculate and I have an odd size, which it's okay as long as you are framing it. So you can't see white on white right now, but I don't know, if I bring it up closer, you can see the structure. So once this is dry, I will start the painting.